Some more SAT2 questions. Okay, and sorry for the figure because they sent these photos for me to solve these questions. In the figure above, PA and PB are tangents to a circle, to circle O, and the measure of arc AXB, is 250. It's given, and we need to find the measure of angle PAB, measure of angle PAB, measure of this angle. Okay, this is simple. This is very simple question. Okay, what is the measure of angle PAB? Angle between tangent PA and chord AB is equal half the arc AB. Half the arc AB. How much is the arc AB? Sorry for that. How much is the arc AB? The circle is 360 degrees. We took from it 250, which is the measure of arc AXB. What left is 110 degrees. Angle PAB is between tangent, given tangent, and arc, between tangent and chord AB, sorry, it will be half the arc AB. Half the arc AB, this means half the minor arc AB, this means angle PAB equal half 110. And what is half 110? It's 55 degrees. So the correct answer is B. B is the correct answer. Let's go to the other question. Here we have a circle. We have inside this circle we have a regular hexagon, 6 equal sides. The side is 10 given. All the sides are 10 each. What is the area of the shaded region? Just the shaded region. So the area of all these parts here, small parts between the circle and the side, and each side of the hexagon, etc. Rounded to the nearest whole number. Let's see. To find the shaded area, since the hexagon, regular hexagon, is inside the circle, so we can say that the area of the shaded region, or shaded area, the shaded region, is equal, right, is equal to the area of the circle, which is the area, the big area of the circle, minus the area of the circle minus the area of hexagon, of regular hexagon. So I need to have how much is the area of the circle, and I need to have how much is the area of the hexagon. First, area of the circle. What is the area of the circle? Area of the circle is equal to pi r square. I know that pi is 3.14, or approximately 3.14. It's 3.14, 159, etc. multiplied with the radius square. How much is the radius of the circle? We know that if we join all the sides from the center of the circle to all the vertices of the regular hexagon, we will have them as radii, right? And all the sides of these triangles inside will be equal to each other, and each of them is equal to the side of the hexagon, regular hexagon, which each triangle, let's say triangle OAB, will be an equilateral triangle. So since the side AB is given as 10, so each one of the sides inside OB, OA are also 10, so the radius is 10. 10 squared is 100 times 3.14, it's approximately 314 to the nearest whole number. It's 314.159, etc. So it's 314. Now what is the area of hexagon? Area of hexagon, we have it as a formula. It's half the apothem times the perimeter of the hexagon. What is perimeter of the hexagon? Perimeter of the hexagon is the sum of the sides of the hexagon, and all sides are equal, so 6 times the side. 6 times each side is 10, the perimeter is 60. What is apothem? Apothem. Apothem, apothem or apothem, I guess, without E, right? Apothem of hexagon is equal the height drawn from the center of the circle, right, to the side, the center of the circle to the side of the hexagon. This is, we call it an apothem, right? So this apothem is a height in equilateral triangle. Height in equilateral triangle is equal to side of equilateral triangle multiplied by radical 3 divided by 2. And the side of equilateral triangle is 10 times radical 3 divided by 2, so it's 5 radical 3. Remember, the side times radical 3 over 2 is the height of equilateral triangle. Why? Suppose this is equilateral triangle, and this is the height. This height, it cuts the equilateral triangle into two half equilateral triangles. And this height will be side facing 60 degrees. If the side is 10 of equilateral triangle, the side faces 60 degrees is equal to 10, which is the hypotenuse, times radical 3 divided by 2, that is 5 radical 3. Now, 5 radical 3, this is the apothem. Now the area of the hexagon, we can find it. It's half the apothem times the perimeter, which is 60, we found it. 60 divided by 2 is 30. 30 times 5 is 150 radical 3. How much is 150 radical 3? This is 3 radical multiplied by 150 equal 259.8. Means 260 rounded to the nearest whole number. 260. We have to subtract this from 314. This is 314 and this is 260. 314 we take out 360, the answer will be 54 is the area of the shaded region, and it is correct. The student circled already this answer, and this answer is correct. Another number, what is the area of a circle that is inscribed in a square of area 2? This is very nice. Circle inscribed in a square. So we have a circle, and around this circle we have a square of side 2. The sides of the square will be tangent, all of them tangent to the circle, right? So this is the figure, almost like that. Okay, so we have circle and we have side of square, right, is 2. If the side of the square is 2, what is the area of the circle? That's nice. If the side of the square is 2, this means the diameter of the circle is also 2. This means 1. What is the area of the circle that is inscribed in a square? Yeah, area of the circle that is inscribed in a square. So the square is around the circle. So if the the side of the square, area of the square is 2, not the side of the square is 2. So this is wrong. Area of the square is equal to side square, and it's given as 2. This means that the side of each side of this square is equal to radical 2. So radical 2, radical 2, radical 2, and radical 2. If the side of the square is radical 2, what is the length of the radius of the circle? It's radical 2 divided by 2. It's half of the side of the square, right? This means, what is the area of the circle? Area of the circle is equal pi r square, which is pi times radius radical 2 over 2 square, which is pi multiplied with 2. Radical 2 square is 2, and 2 square is 4. Then divided by 2, it's half pi, so it's pi over 2, and the correct answer of this question is B. It's pi over 2. And let's go to next video, because time of this video is finished.